Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to get dark mode in your Android device. So let's go to Play Store first. Now click on search option and right here dark mode. Install the second one, this one. Install it in your device. Now just click on open and open the software and just click on this day mode, dark mode, night mode. You just click on or select night mode and let's see all of your application will be now in dark mode. If you wanna check, you can go and check this one and this one, all will be on dark mode, but some apps like Google Assistant or Google Gmail will be not change. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. I'm showing you again here. Go Play Store, you can see here this dark mode. Some application may not dark because of its own features, but maximum application will be in dark mode. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.